Hey guys, today we're gonna tell you about what is cryptocurrency. It is a digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange through the computer network that is not reliant on any central authority such as a government or bank to uphold or maintain it. Individual coin ownership records are stored in a digital ledger, which is a computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transaction records, to control the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. Despite their name, cryptocurrencies are not considered to be currencies in the traditional sense, and while varying treatments have been applied to them, including classification as commodities, securities, as well as currencies. Cryptocurrencies are generally viewed as a distinct asset class in practice. Some crypto schemes use validators to maintain the cryptocurrency in a proof of stake model ownership, but up their tokens are as collateral. In return, they get authority over the token in proportion to the amount they take. Generally, these token stakers get additional ownership in the token over time via network fees, newly minted tokens, or other such rewards mechanism. Cryptocurrency does not exist in physical form and is typically not issued by a central authority. Cryptocurrencies typically use decentralized control as opposed to a central bank. Digital currency um, decentralized control as opposed to a central bank digital currency. When a cryptocurrency is minted or created prior to issuance or issued by a single issuer, it, it is digitally considered centralized. When implemented with decentralized control, each cryptocurrency works through distributed ledger technology, typically a blockchain that serves as a public financial transaction database. Traditional asset classes like currencies, commodities, and stocks, as well as macroeconomic factors, have modest exposures to cryptocurrency returns. A cryptocurrency is a tradable digital asset or digital form of money built on blockchain technologies that only exist online. Cryptocurrencies use encryption to authenticate and protect transactions, hence their name. There are currently over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies in the world. Over the last few years, cryptocurrency prices have risen and then fallen. Crypto marketplaces do not guarantee that an investor is completing a purchase or trade at the optimal price. As a result, many investors take advantage of this by using arbitrage to find a difference in price across several markets. The first decentralized cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was first released as open source software in 2009. Since the release of Bitcoin, many other cryptocurrencies have been created. In 1983, the American cryptographer David Chaum conceived an anonymous cryptographic electronic money called eCash. Later, in 1995, he implemented it through DigiCash, an early form of cryptographic electronic payment. DigiCash required user software in order to withdraw notes from a bank and designate a specific encrypted keys before it can be sent to a recipient. This allowed the digital currency to be untrackable by issuing bank, the government, or any third party. In 1996, the National Security Agency published a paper entitled How to Make a Mint: The Cryptography of Anonymous Electronic Cash, describing a cryptocurrency system, first publishing it in an MIT mailing list, and later in 1997, the American Law Review. In 1998, Wei Dai published a description of B-Money, characterized as an anonymous distributed electronic cash system. Shortly thereafter, Nick Szabo described BitGold, like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that would follow it. BitGold, not to be confused with the later gold-based exchange BitGold, was described as an electronic currency system which required users to complete a proof of work function, with solution being cryptographically put together and published. In 2009, the first decentralized cryptocurrency Bitcoin was created by presumably pseudonymous developer Satoshi Nakamoto. It used SHA 256 a cryptographic hash function in its proof-of-work scheme. In April 2011, Namecoin was created as an attempt at forming a decentralized DNS, which would make internet censorship very difficult. Soon after, in October 2011, Litecoin was released, which used Scrypt as its hash function instead of SHA-256. Another notable cryptocurrency, Peercoin, used a proof-of-work, proof-of-stake hybrid. On August 6, 2014, the UK announced its Treasury had commissioned a study of cryptocurrencies and what role, if any, they could play in the UK economy. The study was also to report on whenever regulation should be considered. Its final report was published in 2018 and it issued a consultation on crypto assets and stablecoins in January 2021. In June 2021, El Salvador became the first country to accept Bitcoin as legal tender after the Legislative Assembly had noted 62 to 22 pass a bill submitted by President Nayib Bukele classifying the cryptocurrency as such. In August 2021, Cuba followed this with Resolution 215 to recognize and regulate cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. In September 2021, the government of China, the single largest market for cryptocurrency, declared all cryptocurrencies transactions illegal, completing a crackdown on cryptocurrencies that had previously banned the operation of intermediaries and miners within China. Altcoins, token cryptocurrencies, and other types of digital assets that are not Bitcoin are collectively known as alternative cryptocurrencies, typically shortened to altcoins or altcoins, or disparagingly known as shitcoins. A journal also describes altcoin as alternative versions of Bitcoin, given its role as the model protocol for altcoin designers. Altcoins often have underlying differences with Bitcoin. For example, Litecoin aims to process a block every 2.5 minutes rather than Bitcoin's 10 minutes, which allows Litecoin to confirm transaction faster than Bitcoin. Another example is Ethereum, which was smart contract functionality that allows decentralized application to be run on its blockchain. Ethereum was the most used blockchain in 2020, according to Bloomberg News. In 2016, it had the largest following of any altcoin, according to the New York Times. Significant rallies across altcoin markets are often referred to as an alt season. Stablecoins are altcoins that are designed to maintain a stable level of purchasing power. Nodes. In the world of cryptocurrency, a node is a computer that connects a cryptocurrency network. The node supports the cryptocurrency's network through either relaying transactions, validation, or hosting a copy of the blockchain. In terms of relaying transaction, each network computer has a copy of the blockchain of the cryptocurrency it supports. One transaction is made, the node creating the transaction broadcasts details of the transaction using encryption to other nodes throughout the node network so that the transaction and every other transaction is known. Node owners are either volunteers, those hosted by the organization or body responsible for developing the cryptocurrency blockchain network technology, or those who are enticed to host a node to receive reward from hosting the node network.